A cardiac emergency is probably the last thing on your mind. The thing is, it's the #1 cause of death in the workplace and can happen anywhere, anytime. That's why you need an AED, an automated external defibrillator. This device can mean the difference between life and death. But it's not just enough to have an AED on hand. You need ongoing service and maintenance of the unit and people who know how to use it. Well, that's where Cintas comes in. With more than 700 saves and counting, we know what it takes to help you get your AED program started. Here's how it works. First, you choose an AED from our selection of industry-leading brands. Tell us where you want it placed, and we'll install it for you. Second, schedule a course with our certified instructors to train your team on how to use the AED. Finally, and most importantly, we'll help you keep your AED ready to save lives by performing regular service inspections. We'll also give you access to LifeReady 360, an online tool that lets you track and manage all your AEDs across multiple buildings. With LifeReady 360, you can monitor battery and pad expiration dates, schedule service reminders, track who needs to be trained, and more. For ongoing support of your AED program, get Cintas so you can be prepared when it matters most.